Bless you. Bless you. Hi. Good morning. Good morning, Alyssa. You have big eyes. What? What are you amazed by this morning? Are you looking at something funny? Hi. 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 Good morning, happy girl. You playing? Mm-hmm. Can you give Mommy a big smile again? Give Mommy a big, big smile again. That's a little smile. A bigger one, a bigger one, a bigger one. A bigger one. Hi. You always have hiccups. Okay. See you later. Say bye-bye.